Hello children, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to learn lesson number 11, important cities. This is the last lesson of first term. So in this chapter we will read about the metropolitan cities of India and discuss about the climate, festivals, places to visit and many more things about them. So let me show you the map first. It's the political map of India. So this is Delhi. It's a union territory. Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. And Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. So Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Clear? So India has 4,000 cities and towns. So out of these, the most important cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. These are called metropolitan cities. These are called metropolitan cities. The other cities of India are Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Pune and Ahmedabad. They are metro cities, means big cities. Out of these cities, Mumbai is the largest one. It is the largest city in terms of area and population. It is very big in area and it has a lot of population, means dense population it has. Now we'll read about Delhi first. Delhi, as you all know, it's the capital of India. The official name of Delhi is National Capital Territory of Delhi. It was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Edwin Lutyens. Location. Where is it located now? I have shown you the location. Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna and it shares its border with Uttar Pradesh in the east and with Haryana on the other three sides. Understood? On east is this side. On east it has what? Uttar Pradesh, and on west, north and south it has Haryana. Clear? Now comes the climate of Delhi. Delhi is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. And hot dry winds are called Loo. Hot dry winds called Loo blow during the summers. Now comes people and languages. Delhi is often called mini India because people from different parts of India can be seen here. They live and work here. They live and work here. People wear both traditional and modern clothes. Men wear trousers, shirts, jean, kurta and pajamas, while women wear salwar kameez, saris, jeans, skirts and other dresses. People speak different languages like Hindi, Punjabi and Urdu. I hope this is easy and you have understood. Festivals. As people of different religions live here, almost all the festivals are celebrated in this city, like Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Eid. Apart from this, a grand parade on Republic Day, that is 26th January, is held at Rajpath. Now, food. People of Delhi like spicy food. They like paranthas, chole bhature, kebabs, nihari, butter chicken and chaat. Now comes the government. Delhi is the seat of the government, central government. You know, children, two types of government are there, state government and central government. So Delhi is the seat of the central government. The central secretariat and the parliament are also located here. Parliament makes laws for the country, and all the ministers, cabinet ministers live in Delhi. Prime Minister and President also live in Delhi. The residence of President of India is called Rashtrapati Bhavan. The government of other countries also have their offices here. These are known as embassies or high commissions. Now, famous places to visit means I think most of you have visited Delhi, and you all might have visited some of the places. So let us read about those places. Delhi has many famous monuments and places to visit. Thousands of tourists come to Delhi every year to visit these places. Some of the most famous ones are the Red Fort or Lal Killa. It's a beautiful fort built in red sandstone. It served as the residence of Mughal emperors for about 200 years. It was built by Shah Jahan. Who built Red Fort? Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was a Mughal emperor. And Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a 73-meter tall brick minaret. Its construction was started by Qutbuddin Aibak, founder of the Delhi Sultanate. Understood? So first was Red Fort, second is Qutub Minar, third is India Gate. India Gate is a memorial for martyrs of World War I and the World War in Afghanistan. It is located on Rajpath, the road that leads to Rashtrapati Bhavan. A flame called Amar Jawan Jyoti always keeps burning here. You might have visited India Gate if you had been to Delhi. Next is Humayun's tomb and Jantar Mantar. They are also visited by tourists. Rajghat or the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi can also be seen in Delhi. Other places of visit in Delhi include Hauz Khas Village, Nehru Planetarium, Lodi Gardens, National Rail Museum and the Doll House. Okay, so let us revise this. Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Amar Jawan Jyoti, Humayun's tomb, Jantar Mantar, Rajghat and these places. Nehru Planetarium, Lodi Gardens, National Rail Museum, Doll House and Hauz Khas Village. All these. So children, when you are asked about the places to visit, write only those names which you feel easy to write. Like spelling should not be wrong. So like Amar Jawan Jyoti, easy for you to write. India Gate is easy to write. So write only those whose spelling you know. No need to write the tough ones because you will make a spelling mistake in them. Okay. Religious places. Now religious places means like temples and all these. Delhi has many places of religious worship. The most famous ones are Lotus Temple, Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple, Jama Masjid and the Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Places of worship. Clear? All these. Industries. Now Delhi is an important commercial center. It has many manufacturing centers and factories. What kind of industries Delhi has? Like leather industry, okay, machineries and plastics and medicine, electrical, electronic things are made in Delhi. Okay. Transport. Delhi is well connected to other cities of India and has very fast means of transport. Delhi Transport Corporation, that is DTC, operates thousands of buses. Besides this, the metro rail also plays an important role in the transport system of Delhi. Now let us study about the next metropolitan city, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Its old name was Bombay. It is also called the financial capital of India. It is a major port of India. Major port of India means where the ships are loaded and unloaded because it is near the sea. So location, Mumbai lies on the west coast of India. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on the west. It is a busy seaport with lots of trades and business happening at its port. Clear? Now climate. It has got a tropical climate. Tropical climate means neither too hot nor too cold. It has got that type of climate. As it is close to the sea, the summers are humid while winters are pleasant, and the monsoon comes in June, which continues till August. Clear? Monsoon means rainy season. People and languages. As you know, it is Maharashtra. Marathi is spoken here. Apart from Marathi, people speak Konkani and Hindi. Festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of Mumbai. It is celebrated with great joy and happiness. Other festivals which are celebrated are Holi, Diwali and Christmas. Now comes the food. You might have heard about vada pav and all. Vada pav, bhel puri, pav bhaji. They are the famous food of Maharashtra or Mumbai. So, and one more sweet dish is Shrikhand. Shrikhand is a type of Swedish also liked by people. Because of settlement of the Parsi community in the city, some Parsi dishes like Parsi akuri and dhan shak are also widely popular here. Clear? Spicy snacks are vada pav, bhelpuri and pav bhaji, and Swedish are Shrikhand. This Swedish is very famous. Nowadays available in the market here also. Now, places to visit. Which are the famous places to visit? Gateway of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, and Elephanta Caves, Marine Drive, Juhu Beach, Film City, Prince of Wales Museum, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Kamala Nehru Park, Aksa Beach, Jahangir Art Gallery, Taraporewala Aquarium are some of them. At night, the lights along the Marine Drive look like gem necklace. That's why this stretch is also called the Queen's Necklace. All these children, you have studied about these places in previous class also. Religious places. Now come the religious places. Siddhivinayak Temple, Mahalakshmi Temple, Haji Ali Dargah and Mount Mary Church are some of the important places of religious worship in the city. Clear?